how to log in on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Besnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in on crypto.com. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now in order to log in, what you can do is you can simply head into the website on crypto.com/exchange and select the login option. So what you can do is you can simply head into your browser and type in crypto.com/exchange. Now it shouldn't be available in my region, but I'll just be showing you here. You want to make sure that you spell it correctly. You type in correctly crypto.com/exchange and it will take you to the page where you can see there the login and sign up option. Simply tap on login and enter in your login details and you'll be able to log in. If you want to do it on the application, you can download the crypto.com wallet, and once you do it, you can open it up and you'll get the login option. You want to simply tap on login and you'll be able to log in. So this way you can log in to crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.